Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I am going to take class 5 science subject lesson 2 plant life part 3. What do needs for seed germination? Seed germination require sunlight, water, air. These three factors are very essential. If any one factor will missing, it will not grow into a new plantlet. Seed, it will grow into a new plantlet. Here seed contains cotyledons. These cotyledons store food inside. These seeds utilize stored food and produce into a new plantlet. This is called germination. Okay, here activity. Here one of the activity you have to take some seeds, weigh them, note their shape in your notebook. Okay, observe shape. Next you have to soak overnight. Soak overnight. Then you have to next day you have to take that seeds, wipe them, dry. Then you have to again weigh and observe shape. You will change difference. Why? Because seeds absorb water. That's why you will observe difference in shape and weight. Next one more activity. Here you are applying conditions. Okay, you are taking seeds like chana. Okay, here cotton, wet cotton, seeds, water. You kept in kitchen. This is first condition. Okay, here you are applied air, water, warmth. Okay, three condition you are given. Seed get air, water, warmth. Next second, you taken cotton. Okay, conditions like cotton, seeds, water, but you kept in refrigerator. You kept in refrigerator. Here warmth is absent. Warmth absent. Air, water get. Okay, second condition. Third condition, you taken seeds, applied conditions, warm conditions. Okay, cotton. Then here you kept in. You are not pour water. You not pour water. Okay, you applied a heat condition, but here not pour water. Dry cotton taken. Dry cotton, seeds and a heat condition you are applied. Next fourth one, you taken seeds, water, okay, cotton. You covered seeds. You covered seeds. Okay, here air is absent. Air is absent. Here first case air, water, warmth is present. That's why it will germination of seed happen. Seed will grow into a new plantlet. The remaining cases, if any one case will absent, does not grow into a new plantlet. Okay. Next one. Dispersal. Dispersal of seeds. Dispersal of seeds. Here seed dispersal. Seed dispersal. Here plants reach suitable soil, it will grow into a new plantlet. Okay. Here sometimes seeds are nearby. What will be happen here? Not get all minerals, nutrients, water, sufficient place. That's why that crowdy. That's why it will not grow into a healthy plant. Okay. So these seeds will scattered is very important. Nature helps in scattering. Okay. Dispersal of seeds from the mother plant is very important. Here first one, the scattering of seeds away from the mother plant. The scattering of seeds away from the mother plant. The scattering of seeds away from mother plant. Away from parent plant or mother plant is called a seed dispersal. Okay. Here some of the agents helps in dispersal. Some of the agents helps in dispersal. That agents are water, air, animals, etc. Okay. Here, first of all, air dispersal. Okay, air dispersal. You will see dandelion, cotton. These are very lightweight. These are easily float in air. Okay, dandelion, cotton. These easily float in air. These are very lightweight. It will reach suitable surface. It will grow into a new plantlet. Next one, water, like lily, lotus, coconut. Okay, lily, lotus, coconut. These are floating water. It will grows easily, move on easily water. It will grow in water, or it will move to any other suitable surface. It will grow into a new plantlet. Like coconut, it contains a trap inside. A trap inside. Coconut contains air. Okay, that's why easily float in water. It will reach suitable surface. It will grow into a new plantlet. Okay. See here, water, lotus seeds are scattered in water. It will reach very far places. Helps in dispersal of seeds. Next one, animal. One more agent, animal. Here, animal dispersal. For example, we are also taken fleshy fruits like mango, papaya, cherry, guava. So many fruits we are eating. We are throwing some seeds outside. This is one of the way to help to grow into a new plantlet. The seeds reach on suitable surface. It will grow into a new plantlet. Okay. Scattering mechanism. One of the mechanism. But some fruits. Okay. Like guava, cherries. These are eaten along with seeds, birds, animals. Okay, these are go inside body. These are very hard and small. It will reach through waste, body waste, reach through body waste. These are ready to grow into a new plantlet. In this way, it will helps to scatter seeds. Here, some of the seeds contains spines, hooks. These are attached to body parts. These are go along with the animal and reach any suitable surface. It will grow into a new plantlet. This is animal dispersal. Next one, explosion of seeds. Explosion of seeds. Here, so many seeds will explode. These are dry and it will explode. Okay, it will reach on suitable surface. It will grow into a new plantlet, like balsam, pea, geranium. Okay, explosion, balsam, pea. Here, see pea seed, balsam, pea, geranium. Next, touch me not plant. These are dry and explode outside. Okay, it will reach on suitable surface. It will grow into a new plantlet. These are helps in scattering of seeds. Thank you, children.